I've been pushing work all summer.
Alright guys, so I'm back. If you're new to my channel, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and tap that bell so you don't miss out on more videos just like this one. There is a whole lot of health benefits to celery juice, and why not get onto something that's good for your body, right? So I'm dropping in my celery, and I am going to try this with a half a cup of cold water. Let's see how it looks. I blended it for about 1 minute, but I stopped it maybe 10 seconds shy of 1 minute. And I must admit, I don't think I need to strain it a whole lot either. I don't have a strainer, but let me show you. It's not really bad. Not bad at all. As you can see, I don't have anything much inside here. This Vitamix is a beast, guys. If you don't have yourself one, get one. Okay. I'm nervous about this. Not bad. Not bad at all. If you love celery, then you're gonna love this. Of my 7-day celery juice, and it was interesting. Like, comment, and subscribe, and share this video with a friend or two. That's it for today. Remember guys, life is what you make of it. Always has been, always will be. Mwah, 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 mwah. Smooches until next time. Ciao.